In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge lists on Hubspot. Whether you're organizing contacts for a new marketing campaign or simply tidying up your CRM, merging lists can help you manage your data more effectively. So let's get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to www.hubspot.com. Once there, you're going to want to find the login button and click on it. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself at the HubSpot dashboard, which is your central hub for everything CRM related. From here, look for the CRM component in the menu, and once you pinpoint it, select Lists. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Lists section, move your attention to the top right corner of the page and locate the Create List button. Go ahead and give it a click. Now, this is where you make a choice based on your needs. Do you want an active list or a static list? Here's a quick breakdown. An active list will automatically update as contacts meet the criteria you set, which is handy for ongoing campaigns or continually changing data. On the flip side, a static list provides a snapshot of contacts at that particular moment, ideal for historical data or one-time events. With your choice made, it's time to drill down into the filter criteria. In these parameters, search for and select List Membership. The basic idea here is to merge contacts based on their membership in existing lists. Begin by configuring the filter so that it reads something like this. Contact is a member of List A. If you have more lists to combine, and you almost certainly will, look for the OR button. Click it to add another list, like Contact is a member of List B. You can keep repeating this step for as many lists as you wish to merge, which is fantastic for building a comprehensive list that serves all your needs. Once you've set all your criteria, it's time to name your newly merged list. Choose something descriptive and intuitive like Combined List April 2025. Names like these make it easier to identify your lists in the future, especially when you have numerous lists within your CRM. Finally, click the Save button to confirm all the configurations you've made, and there you have it, a merged list that combines all your specified contacts into one convenient location. Congratulations on merging your lists in HubSpot. With this streamlined approach to contact management, you're better equipped to enhance your marketing strategies, improve your reach, and maintain a cleaner, more organized CRM. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips. See you in the next video.